Hi guys, Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here. Today we're going to address something on the Ranger that I think is missing. You'll find these on a lot of the newer, say like F-150s, Rams, 1500s, and probably Chevy too. So what we're going to address today is this. That is what's missing from this truck, is a dampened tailgate. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to install the Ford part number, right from Ford, but made by DeeZee, the Tailgate Assist. And I'm going to show you how to install that today. So let's get into it. Alrighty, I'm going to show you what you need here for the tools of installation for the Tailgate Assist or Tailgate Dampener. First off, you're going to need a T50 Torx head bit, and then I have a ratchet to go with this. So we're going to need that. And then we're going to need a 6mm Allen wrench, one of these, and then a flathead screwdriver. And that's it. So 3 tools or 4 tools is all you need to install this tailgate dampener. Alrighty, we'll get the stuff out of the package here and we'll go through this. So you have one strut here, one plate with a ball on it, another plate with another ball on it, and then you should have 2 6mm Allen bolts here, and that's it for the kit. So a total of 5 pieces to this kit. So the first step is to take the smaller plate with the tool holes, and you're going to want to pop this onto one of the balls here, and it just squeezes on like so, and then that's on there. So that's the first step. Second step is to remove this back Torx head bolt out of the rear of the tailgate, the back one here. That's important, so make sure that back one is the one you're taking out. And now that is out. Put that off to the side, and then we'll go to the third step. All right, third step is to take that plate with the strut on it, and you're going to want to start mounting that right here. And you want to mount the lower one, the lower hole, to that bolt you just took out. Okay, so, but don't fully tighten it down. You want this to be loose, but you want this bolt to be mounted in there so this tailgate doesn't drop down on this side. Because if you remove that and this bolt's not in there, this tailgate is going to drop down off of this mount that hooks into here. So you don't want to do that. So the next step is to remove the second bolt, the left one here. So I'm going to remove that. Okay, so now that's out, and just put that off to the side. And you take that other bolt, the M6 bolt, you put it down like that, and you start getting that threaded in. You want to get this this out of the way there. Now start tightening up both of these. Back one's tight now. Go back to the front. And they will go a little hard. Just make sure you're not cross-threading it though. So now both of those are tight. And then we'll move on to the next step. Alrighty, so the next step, you take your flathead screwdriver, you pull up on your tailgate just a little bit, and then you kind of want to get this tailgate strap out of there, off of that mount here. And just place that off to the side. The other tailgate strap will hold the tailgate up, so don't worry about that. Take your T50 and get this out. Alrighty, now that bolt is out for the tailgate strap. So now what you're going to want to do is grab that other plate, put that bolt in here, and mount that plate as so back in. And just straight up and down to get it mounted. And just make sure it's tight. Now it's tight there. Lift up on your tailgate and get that pushed on, the strut pushed onto the ball. Should just push on. There you go. And then once you get that on, next step is to get the tailgate strap back on. And there you go. And just check everything there, and it's all set. And that should be the installation of that. Alrighty, now that we got the tailgate strap back on, that was the last step, and this is how it should look. I think we're looking pretty good. Let's give it a shot. Now you're done with that last step there with the tailgate strap. You should be done. So I closed it. Let's see if it worked. Oh yeah. Frickin' perfect. Alrighty, that's the installation of the tailgate dampener. Works pretty good. I think it was well worth the money. You can find this pretty much anywhere that sells Ford parts and accessories. If you go to any of your local dealers, they should have the ability to order this or have it in stock. So I think that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. I'm going to do a few other things with this Ranger as we go along. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day or night.